falling apart. I cooked the hell out of that. It's like, what if the power goes out again and I can't use my stove? So the power just went out. I burned my rope. What? Okay, hold on. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Y'all know if y'all been watching me, I don't know how to cook. And I just turned 27. I'm like, girl, you're too old not to know how to cook. So today, we're gonna try to cook again. I'm gonna make it a thing to try to cook something new every week, because I need to learn how to cook and quick. So today I'm gonna be making salmon pasta. Honestly, a video came up on my TikTok and I was like, well, this look good. This look kind of easy for me to make. And then I just searched up a whole bunch of videos of people making it, and I make it my own way. I got ideas from every video, so we're gonna see what this turns out like. I got me a little drink. I made this yesterday. I will show you, but I don't feel like getting a picture out. But it's Tito's peach croissant. I don't know how you say that, but some peach. It's like rum. Orange juice, cranberry juice. Then I squeeze some fresh lemon and oranges in it, so it's fire. And I let the oranges and stuff sit overnight, so you know it's hitting more today. So that's what we're drinking on. So we're gonna get a little bit tipsy and we're gonna cook. First I gotta prep the salmon and everything, but I got everything out. And we're gonna see how this turns out. I'll check back in when we prep the salmon first. Y'all, so I prepped my salmon and everything. I just have to get my spices together. But I'm kind of scared because it's like going down outside. It was storming at first. Now the wind's just blowing crazy and the power had went out for like a split second. So I'm scared because like, what if the power goes out again and I can't use my stove? So the power just went out. Maybe I'll put my seasonings together and put on the salmon and let it marinate until it decides what it wants to do. Okay, y'all, so the power's off. I don't know if it's gonna come back on, but I did season my salmon. That's what it's looking like. It looks nice and flavorful and it smells delicious, but I'm gonna put this in my fridge. But I'm kind of upset because it looks really good and it smells really good. So I'll measure when it's cooked, but at least I'll be able to marinate for a little bit, so that's good. Whenever the power comes back on, I'll see y'all. It's like the one time I wanted to actually record a YouTube video, everything goes wrong. So I wanted to record this part real quick because the sun's going down and pretty soon it's gonna be completely fucking dark in here and the power's still not on. It's going on hour number 3. I haven't ate yet. I was really looking forward to cooking because I really wanted to see what I could do with this little recipe. But we're gonna continue the video tomorrow, y'all. This is a hot ass mess. I'm sorry, but whatever. I'm probably about to, I don't know if I want DoorDash food or go get food. I really don't feel like going out, but if I DoorDash it, the little buzzers aren't working, so I have to go down and get it anyways. So I'm already gonna go outside. Should I just like go all the way outside and drive somewhere, you know what I mean? So I don't know. So I'm about to figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner because it's, I'm looking around for the time. The time ain't on nothing. It's almost 8 o'clock. So yeah, to be continued. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna cook it tomorrow. So it's literally the next day. The power came on, luckily, because y'all know after 4 hours, I think, yeah, you're supposed to throw everything away in your fridge like after 4 hours. Luckily it came on before I had to throw everything out in my fridge because I would have been pissed because I literally just went shopping the other day. So we're all good, but it came on too late for me to cook, so I just ended up getting food from somewhere. So today, hopefully the power is pretty nice outside, so I don't think the power is gonna go out. But luckily, which I think is a good thing, the salmon got to marinate overnight. So, and it's Sunday, so like Sunday dinner and shit, you know, whatever. I'm still drinking my drink because I didn't want to open the fridge after I had closed it yesterday, because you know that lets the air out and stuff. I didn't want my food to get bad. So yeah, I'm about to boil the noodles right now. I'm waiting for the water to start boiling. I got these noodles for it. Also, if y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing on this video, but like if y'all want a more detailed video, I am making a TikTok, so go check my TikTok out. But I'm doing a fettuccine noodles. I got 2 boxes, but I think I'm probably only gonna use one, but I'm gonna do 1.5, probably just to be safe. So I'm just waiting for that to boil, but I'm about to get my pan ready for my salmon. Also have lingerie on because I was just taking pictures for Instagram, so that's why this robe is showing. But yes, let me we'll have to wait for this water to boil still. So when I tell y'all I can't cook, I literally mean that shit. I almost fucking, my apartment almost blew up just now. I had the wrong burner on, thinking, and I reached over like, why the fuck ain't this shit boiling? And I had my robe on. Bitch, I burned my robe. What? It is literally not funny because I could have literally had this apartment on fire and now it stinks in here. I burned myself. Like I shouldn't be in the kitchen. Like this is exhibit A why I shouldn't cook. So my balcony door open, the window open. If someone's been going, the little fan of hair going because it fucking stinks in here now. And I'm gonna wait a little bit before I start. I'm so dumb. Like this is literally disgusting. Yeah, I don't really know how to boil noodles. I can slap these bitches in there, right? Oh, y'all. And I'm a little bit tipsy too. Okay. Wait, they don't fit. They just like push them down. I don't know, actually. Okay, I'll add a little more. Because I already opened another fucking pack, I forgot. Okay, hold on. I don't know why I didn't take this robe off. I just don't want y'all to see too much because I told y'all I want gray on. Do like 2 batches, I guess. But I'm trying to. Oh, I got a little more. I got 2 more. Alright, we'll do 2 batches. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna come back when the salmon's done so y'all can see it. Batch is done. Can y'all see? Y'all gonna see better when everything's done, but just stirring this and just took it off the heat. Just stirring it. I put all my seasonings I put on the salmon is in here. Then it's heavy whipping cream and Parmesan. And now I'm about to add the noodles. About to add the noodles. I just did my dishes. I'm gonna do them again. Sorry, I gotta make this TikTok. Oh, that looks so fire. Oh my god. I'm just add a little bit at a time. So good. So good. Alright. I'm waiting for garlic bread to get done. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit more noodles. But I'm gonna plate this and then come back and do a taste test on video. Yo, this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna put a picture because I don't know if the camera's gonna do it justice. But I already tasted the noodles and they was fire, y'all. But I have to take I said the cornbread, but it's not cornbread. Let's take the garlic bread out and then I'm gonna take a picture and everything. I'm gonna come back and taste test like the whole thing, like with some salmon. I'm excited. It's really good. Well, the noodles is really good. So yeah, let's see. But like I said, I'm gonna insert a picture so y'all can see it better. Alright, I took all my pics and stuff so I can post them on social media. Is this plate hot? Okay, no. I'm gonna just hold on. I'm gonna grab a bite, y'all, and we drop some salmon in it. Hold on. Oh shit. It's flashing on me. Okay, let me get a little piece of salmon. Ooh, the salmon is falling apart. I cooked the hell out of that. That's my first time cooking this too. Okay, salmon's on there. Oh. That's actually really fucking good. I can't believe I cooked that. Oh my god! Y'all know how to cook. But yeah, I might do these videos weekly because I don't know how to cook. I really don't. When I say I don't know how to cook, I mean like nothing. So this like amazes me because bitch, I don't know how to cook. But I think I'm just look for like new recipes on TikTok and just make them like every week. So stay tuned, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. I did make me some garlic bread. Yeah, I'll finish eating and watch YouTube, but I'll see you guys in this video.